Hello guys, magandang araw po sa inyo dyan. Day 15 na namin dito sa lockdown since 23rd of March. 2 weeks now. 2 weeks na yung lockdown namin dito. Naubos na kami ng gagawin dito, so nag-i-improvise na lang para alis yung boredom. It's been only 2 weeks and apparently it's gonna go on for quite a while. Dito sa amin estimate sila na 6 months daw to tatagal. By the way, this is the shed, the one at my back, sitting here because it's quite relaxing. It's quite windy and the weather's nice.
7:59 a.m.
Okay guys, magtanom sa may pichay. We're gonna plant some pichay leaf. Oh yeah, we planted some bamboos here as well. It's been bilang ni ka tuig ning bambuha pa. So kita lang tulo ka tuig na no. 3 years, 2017. So we're gonna enter the garden, mini garden. Yan. Trabaho ni ng tatay ko lahat. Ayang agi tanan. Yan. Silo pa.
Hello. Muna yung lockdown si Yukim, tanong pichay.
Oh, good. May buhat. Di up yung paron pa. Di up di pa. So magtanom.
Tanong pichay, arong na yung
Na yung
makaon.
oh.
Huwag na may ipalit dire. Muna yung abli, dahan.
Lisod di adto. It's very hard to go to shops nowadays. Especially, you know what's going on around. Gawas ng adlaw. Sun's a bit out, but the weather's not going with it. Parang butang sa yung kamot sa yuta, ang bugnawa no. Bugnog yuta. Yuta dire na soil here has a lot of moisture, and so kung kusugon dire naibaha in some parts, especially on flatlands. So yeah, baha to niagi. I think I already told you from vlog 1 or 2. No, vlog 1 part 1. Yeah. So mahaw pod me. It's just an early activity to do. Libutangan na naman nig pukot kay naiiring sa silingan na mo tiganhian. Dapat may apple tree dire na gamay. Dako na po siya. Tumbat. Sa tingnan buwak ang mama may ako na ning tanom.
Much later.
Ito yung weather namin ngayon. Clear blue sky yung weather. Yung araw.
Much later.
Are you bored as well? Hey.
Are you bored? Frodo. Hmm?
Okay guys, magpi-play ako ng piano. First time. Hindi ko pa nagle-learn pa ako. I haven't played the piano ever since. So, I apologize for any piano players over there. So, yeah, just bear with me. I'm still learning. So, what I'm trying to play is Golden Wind from JoJo's Bizarre Adventure anime. It's quite a meme right now, so it's stuck in my mind. So I'll try to play it, the easiest version that I saw on YouTube, and yeah, I'll try to replicate it as well. Titingnan natin kung alam kong mag-play ng piano, kung hero ba ko. So yeah.
One hour later.
You should just keep going.
5 hours later. 3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Nice.